Deputy Chief of National Bureau Pallavi Ghosh joining us this morning from the capital. Pallavi, good morning. The government has just 13 days this session and many important bills to pass, but it seems pretty unlikely.
I think the most important thing which the government really needs to get passed is the general budget. It's a money bill. If that fails to be passed, and of course it is a constitutional crisis and the government really has to go. And that's the reason why the Congress party is extremely worried about the constant heat on it coming in from the Samajwadi Party. And that's where this backroom negotiations are extremely important. And that's why the Congress party and the government is pinning its hold on both the left as well as the BSP, which certainly do not want early elections. But this time round, the government once again on a back foot, several ammunitions in the hand of the on their platter, and we've already mentioned the kind of weapons they have really against the government. It will require a lot of maneuvering, lot of manipulation on the part of the government really to see that this parliament session even managed to get some work done.
And yesterday the government did make some sort of effort with the Vice President stepping in with his suggestions. Is the government hopeful at all, or have they resigned themselves to the fact that this session won't function as well?
Shreya, Rajya Sabha has always seen one of the worst behaviours, whether it's been the Lokpal bill, whether it's been the SC/ST quota bill, whether it's been the women's reservation bill. We've been seeing members walking up to the well of the house, ripping off the mics, tearing off the paper, and that's the reason why the Vice President, Mr. Hamid Ansari, did step in. But we've also heard the reactions which really came in from the members of Parliament. So we certainly cannot have too much of hope that whether the kind of order which the Vice President really wants to bring will actually come about. And this is true not just of the Rajya Sabha, but also of the Lok Sabha.